Hari Om. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all to Sri Anne Vidyalaya Matriculation School. We strongly believe Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Ayya's words, education is the most powerful weapon that you can change the entire world. This is our motto. Kalamin Kanavil or Kalvi Payanam. Our profession is nothing but teaching profession. So I think this is the right time I just express my thoughts how we started this school and slightly grown up with a strength of 70 children. Now we have 300 around. By seeing all the schools in our Karur district, I think we have some special thing. So here, this is the first year we started our kindergarten section by the way of teaching method of Montessori. So we started the Montessori method for the KG standard. So like smart classes. So every classroom we have smart classes. Here, this is one of our classroom. So you can able to see the infrastructure of the classroom, and we are giving enough structure, and we are giving enough space for the children also, and you can able to see around the walls. So whatever the kids want to learn, everything they can learn in the classroom itself. And for the middle and for the higher classes, we have all facilities in the lab, even though that by seeing every experiments, every topics, every content in the smart class, definitely the children, they will identify the things very easily and they recognize the things very easily, and we have good facilities in the labs. So we have each labs for the subjects separately, physical science and biological science, and we have computer labs. Based on the strength of the students ratio, we have equipments in our labs and even in the computer lab also, and we have good set of library. So the students can gain their knowledge only by reading books. So we strongly insisted the students to go through the books every day, and we have enough books in the library also, and for the future it will be very useful to take them for any competitive exams. So some students, they don't have any facility to have the books at home. So we are giving that opportunity for the students to have to gain the knowledge in our school library. Education alone cannot able to take the children to achieve the goal. We have well experienced and qualified teachers, including that every classes in our school has smart classes. So we have take classes through smart classes with the help of Empower. This is one of the better and best way of method of teaching to make the children, to make the kid for understanding purpose, and they can able to visualize the things easily. And in future also, maximum in government school also they started the smart class. So we are also following the same method through smart class. Only the education cannot take the children to the certain extent. So including education, we are encouraging the students in sports also. So we have indoor games and outdoor games. Indoor games, especially in Karur districts, even in college also, you cannot able to see billiards. So in our school we have billiards and table tennis. And outdoor games, we have football ground, basketball ground, and I think for athletes, for all races, we can conduct in our school campus itself. We have so many extracurricular activities. So club activities means every week each subject they have the activity, and also we have Silambam, Kabaddi, and we are encouraging the outsiders also to conduct their sports activity in our schools, so that our school children also can participate. In future, we plan to have a great infrastructure for cricket also with nets practice. Such a great infrastructure and open atmosphere, so you cannot able to see this atmosphere in anywhere in our district. in our Karur area also. So every school has the same set of groups, and we are also following the same set of groups, but in that groups how they can able to shine. Based on that we are giving education, and we are making the children to face their competitive exams for their future, bright future also. So to get better education, our parents, our Karur parents, they are going to get better education for other districts. So in our school, I can say, whatever the facilities in the international level of schools, we have all facilities. That too, our school located at the middle area. So here we can have railway station very close to our school. You have many facilities in our school, and location also very close to all the sites. So to get better education, to get standard education, to get all sort of facilities, our school, I think I can once again proudly say, our Sri Anne Vidyalaya Matriculation School can stand in one place. Thank you.
கல்வி என்பது மிகச்சிறந்த ஆயுதம். உலகத்தையே மாற்ற நீங்கள் இதை பயன்படுத்தலாம் என்ற டாக்டர் ஏபிஜே அப்துல் கலாம் அவர்களின் பொன்மொழிக்கு ஏற்ப கலாமின் கனவில் ஒரு கல்வி பயணத்தை தொடர்கிறது ஸ்ரீ அன்னை வித்யாலயா மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளி. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம்.